Using elementary transformation, find the inverse of the following matrices. Continue the problem. A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Find the inverse. First step is that A is equal to I into E. A is equal to I into E. Right hand side A you retain as it is. Left hand side A you replace the matrix. A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 is equal to I, identity matrix for 2 cross 2. 1 0 0 1 into A. Retain A as it is. In the left hand side A you have to make the first element to be 1. I is 1 0 0 1. You have to make the first element to be 1. That is, you have to make 2 as 1. To make 1, it is multiplication or division. To make 0, either addition or subtraction. Since we have to make first element to be 1, divide R1 by how much? R1 dash is R1 by 2. To make the first element to be 1. To make first element to be 1, divide R1 by 2. R1 dash is R1 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2. 0. Write second row as it is. Write second row as it is. We have not touched R2 here. Write R2 as it is. Next, first we have made the first element to be 1. Next you have to make the second element to be 0. Here 1 is there. Here minus 1 is there. I have to make this element to be 0. That is in R2. Add these two, you will get 0. R2 dash is I have to make this element to be 0. This is in R2. Therefore R2 dash is R2 plus R1. If I add these two, this element becomes 0. 1, 0. To make this to be 0, add R1 and R2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. This is 2 minus 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 by 2, this is 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2 is 1 by 2. 0 plus half is 1 by 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. Write first row as it is. Write first row as it is. We have made first element 1. We made second element to be 0. Next you have to make this to be 1. You have to make this to be 1 means to make one either multiplication or division. To make 0 addition or subtraction. To make this element to be 1, multiply R2 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 becomes 1. Therefore R2 dash is multiply R2 by 2. To make half to be 1. R2 dash is 2 times R2. That is multiply R2 by 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. This is 2 into 1 is 2. This is 1 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. We have made 1, we have made 0, we have made 1. Next you have to make this element to be 0. See, left hand side we made 1, we made 0, we made 1. We have to make this to be 0. To make this to be 0, I have to make this element to be 3 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2 is there here. To make 3 by 2, after adding R1 and R2, this element becomes 0. Multiply R2 by 3 by 2. 1 into 3 by 2 becomes 3 by 2. After adding this element becomes 0. Therefore, calculate 3 by 2 R2 in the previous step. 3 by 2 R2. Calculate 3 by 2 R2. This is R2, this is R1. 3 by 2 into 0 is 0. 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2. Next 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Next 3 by 2 into 0 is 0. Next, I have to make this element to be 0. This is in R1. You have to write the R1 row operation for R1. We have to make this element to be 0. Sorry, this element to be 0. To make this element to be 0, we have to make this element to be 3 by 2. Therefore, multiply R2 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 R2 I have calculated here. Next, this minus 3 by 2 in R1. Therefore, R1 dash is. Therefore, R1 dash is R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. R1 dash is R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. 3 by 2 R2 I have calculated here. R1 dash is R1 plus 3. This is R1, 3 by 2 R2. Add these two. We are writing in R1. 1 plus 0 is 1. R1 3 by 2 R2. R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. You have to write it in R1. Dash represents next step new R1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 0. Half plus 3 by 4. Half plus 3 by 4. LCM is 4. This is 2 plus 3. This becomes 5 by 4. This becomes 5 by 4. Half plus 3 by 4 is 5 by 4. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. I have not touched R2, write R2 as it is. 0, 1, 1, 2. See here, 1 minute. See here. 3 by 2, R2 is this one. 3 by 2 into 0 is 0. 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 1 is, this is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2, not 3 by 4. 3 by 2 R2, 0, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. This is 3. 3 by 2 into 2 is 3. Now, if you add half plus 3 by 2 is 2, this is. Half plus 3 by 2 is 2, this is 3. This is 3. And rest is same. It is of the form. It is of the form I is equal to A inverse into A. It is of the form I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is 2, 3, 1, 2. A inverse is 2, 3, 1, 2. See, I have done 4 or 5 problems based on this one. All the problems are like this. In the examination, they will ask only 2 cross 2 matrix. In the textbook, it is 1 3 cross 3 problem is not given, but it is not so important. In the examination for 3 marks, question will be of the 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, to take down side heading, invertible matrix. Side heading is, it is a definition. It is a definition. Side heading is invertible matrix. Invertible matrices. Invertible matrices. Side heading is invertible matrices. Side heading is invertible matrices. Take down the definition. If capital A is a matrix, capital A is a matrix of order M. Of order M means it is M cross M matrix, square matrix. And if there exists another square matrix, here you take it as square matrix. If A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another matrix, another square matrix, B, if there exists another square matrix B of same order, means B is also of order M cross M, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to identity, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to identity, then B is called, then matrix B is called, inverse of B is called the inverse of the matrix A, inverse of A, and is denoted by A inverse. That is, here the matrix B is called inverse of A. That is, B is equal to A inverse. Then matrix A is said to be invertible. Then A is said to be invertible. Invertible means inverse exists. Definition of A is said to be invertible matrix. If A is a square matrix of order M, then there exists another square matrix B of same order, such that this condition should satisfy. If this condition is satisfied, then B is called inverse of A. B is called inverse of A, denoted by B is equal to A inverse. Then this equation becomes, then AB is equal to BA is equal to identity, becomes, replace B by A inverse. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Here B is called the inverse of A, replace B by A inverse. This formula are given properties of multiplication of matrices. This formula are given in multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices satisfies inverse law. That is, A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Take an example. One example for invertible matrix. Example, A is equal to, matrix A is 2, 3, 1, 2. Matrix B is 2 is 1, 2. B is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. This is A, this is EB. Calculate AB first. AB is write first A, next write B. Multiply these two. First row, first column, second column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is minus 1 is minus 3. First row, second column, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 into 2 is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 3 into 2 is plus 6. This is the multiplication of first row with the two columns. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 into 2 is 4. After simplification, you get 4 minus 3 is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but identity matrix. We have calculated AB we got I, identity matrix. Next I am going to calculate BA. First write the matrix B. B is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 into 2 3 1 2. Multiply this two. I have to show that AB must be equal to BA must be equal to identity, then B is called the inverse of A. Calculate BA. 2 into 2 is 4, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 2 into 3 is 6, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 2. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 4. After simplification you get 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but I. Here we have shown that AB is also equal to I, BA is also equal to I, therefore B is called inverse of A. Here B is the inverse of A, that is nothing but A inverse. That is nothing but A. Here AB is I, BA is also equal to I, inverse of A is nothing but, inverse of this matrix is nothing but B. See, there is one important theorem on invertible matrix. There is one important, this question was asked so many times, this proof of this theorem. Okay, see in the examination, there will be one mark question. There will be one mark question. There will be two marks question. It becomes 4. This becomes 1. And 5 1 marks question. 5 into 1 is 5. Totally 10 marks or 11 marks question will be there from matrices. Here it is totally 10 or 11 marks from the matrices, this chapter. Take on the theorem. Very, very important for the point of view of examination. This theorem was asked for 3 marks so many times. Take down the theorem. If A and B, if capital A and capital B are invertible matrices, invertible means both A and A are inverse. If A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then we have to prove AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. This is one of the important theorem for the point of view of examination. Based on this result, we are doing so many problems. AB whole inverse always equal to B inverse A inverse. See, in multiplication of matrices, I have given this formula. Multiplication of matrices satisfy identity law. This is identity law. And it is also satisfies inverse law. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. So, to prove this one, I am using this result. I am using this result. A into A inverse is equal to I. In place of A, I am going to take AB. In place of A, I am going to AB. We know that AB into. In place of A, I will take AB. AB into AB whole inverse is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to I. In place of A, I am going to take AB. Next, finally I have to prove this one. First, I have to eliminate A first. I have to eliminate A. Operate A inverse. Operate A inverse from left. Operate A inverse from left. That is, multiply A inverse from the left. That becomes A inverse into AB into AB whole inverse. We have to multiply A inverse from the left in the right hand side also. I have multiplied A inverse from the left. And multiplication of matrices satisfies associative law. It satisfies associative law. Associative law is A into BC is equal to AB into C. This I have given in properties of multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices satisfy associative law, that is A into BC is equal to AB into C. Here this is A, these two are BC. This is A, this is BC. Apply that formula. After applying it becomes A inverse into A into B. A into BC is AB into C. A into BC is AB into C into AB whole inverse. What is A into I? It is nothing but A. A inverse into I is nothing but A inverse. Right hand side is A inverse into I is A inverse. Multiply from A inverse from left. Next, apply associative law. Associative law is A into BC. A into BC is equal to AB into C. Now, A inverse into A is nothing but I. Replace this by I into B into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse. A inverse into A is I. A inverse into A is I. Next, A can be done as A into I or I into A. What is I into B? It is nothing but B. B into AB whole inverse is A inverse. I into B is B. I into A is A. Next, operate A inverse. Operate B inverse from left. That is, multiply B inverse on both the sides by left. Operate B inverse from left. Multiply B inverse from the left. This is B inverse into B into AB whole inverse is equal to operate B inverse from left. Multiply B inverse from left. Operate B inverse from left. Now again this is A. This is B. This is C. A, B, C. Apply associative property. A into BC is AB into C. This is B inverse into B into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. A, B, C. AB into C. B inverse into B into C. What is A inverse into A? This is I. What is B inverse into B? It is nothing but I. I into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. B inverse into B is I, A inverse into A is I, C inverse into C is I. Now, I into A is A into I is A. I into AB whole inverse, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. One of the important results, using this result, we are going to do so many problems. Therefore, AB whole inverse is B inverse A inverse. 3 marks question. So many times this question was appeared in the examination for 3 marks. Take on the problem based on this theorem. Take on the problem. For the matrices A and B, for the matrices capital A and B, for the matrices capital A and B, for the matrices A and B, verify or prove that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse, where A is 0, 1, 2, B is 1, 5, 7. B is 1, 5, 7. See, this problem I will do in determinants, because in determinants there is a formula for A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A. For this problem, to do this problem, we need this formula. This I will do in determinants. Next chapter I am going to do in determinants. For the time being, you leave 1 page for this problem, please. Take on next problem. Find the values of x, y, z and t. Leave 1 page for this problem. Find the values of x, y, z and x, y, z, that's all. For the matrix A is equal to, for the matrix A is equal to 0, 2y, z, 0, 2y, z, x, y, minus z, x, y, minus z, x, minus y, z, satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation. A transpose into A is equal to I. Satisfy the equation A transpose into A is equal to I. You have to find x, y, z. A is given. And one more condition is given. A transpose is given to be A. A is given, calculate A transpose. How to define a transpose of a matrix? By interchanging of rows and columns. Write rows as column, column as. This is write rows as column. 0, 2y, z, x, y, minus z, x, minus y, z. Determinant. It is a matrix. It is a matrix. But condition is given. Given A transpose into A is equal to I. Given A transpose into A is equal to I. A transpose is 0, x, x, 2y, y, minus y, z, minus z, z into, this is A transpose, into A is 0, 2, 2y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z is equal to I. Since A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, I is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. A transpose into A is equal to I. Multiply first row all the three columns. It is multiplication. 0 into 0 is 0. In between sign is plus. X into x is x square. X into x is x square. Plus x into x is x square. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 0 into 2y is 0. Plus x into y, xy. Plus x into minus y, minus xy. 0 into 2y is 0. Plus x into y is xy. Plus x into minus y is minus xy. This is the multiplication of first row with second column. Next, first row, third column. 0 into z is 0. Plus x into minus z is minus xz. X into minus z is minus xz. Plus x into z is xz. This is the multiplication of first row with all the three columns. Multiplication of first row with all the three columns. Next, second row, first column. This is second row, this is first column. 2y into 0 is 0. Plus y into x is xy. Plus y into minus y is minus xy. 0 plus xy minus xy. Second row, first column. Now second row, second column. Second row, second column. 2y into 2y is 4y square. 2y into 2y is 4y square. Plus y into y is plus y square. Y into y is y square. Minus y into minus y is plus y square. 2y into 2y is 4y square. Y into y is y square. Minus y into minus y is plus y square. Next, second row, third column. 2y into z is 2yz. 2y into z is 2yz. Plus y into minus z is minus yz. Next, minus y into z is minus yz. Carefully you have to multiply. Next, third row, first column. Z into 0 is 0. Minus z into x is minus zx. Plus zx. Z into x is zx. This is multiplication of third row with first column. Third row, second column. 2yz. Z into 2y is 2yz. Minus z into y is minus yz. Next, z into minus y is minus yz. Third row, second column. Next, third row, third column. Z into z is z square plus minus z into minus z is plus z square. Z into z is plus z square is equal to, right answer is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Simplify the matrix, which is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square. X square plus x square is 2x square. Plus xy minus xy will cancel. Minus xz plus xz can cancel. Plus xy minus xy becomes 0. Next is 4y square plus y square plus y square is 6y square. 2yz minus yz is 0. Next is 0. Next is 0. Next is 3z square is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the equality of two matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal, their corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, 2x square is equal to 1. 2x square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square is 1 by 2. X square is 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root. X is plus or minus 1 by root. We got the value of x. We got the value of x. Next, 6y square is equal to 1, equating the corresponding elements. 6x y square is 1, y square is 1 by 6. Y is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 6. Y is plus or minus root of 1 by 6. Next, 3z square is equal to 1. 3z square is 1. Therefore, z square is 1 by 3. Bring 3 to the right hand side. Therefore, z is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 3. This is x, y, z. X is plus or minus 1 by 2. Y is plus or minus 1 by root 6. Z is plus or minus 1 by root 3. Question is, find the values of x, y, z. Students, any doubt? Students?
No, sir.
All of you are following?
Yes, sir.
From this chapter, 11 marks will be there in the examination. 1 5 marks question, 1 3 marks question, 1 2 marks question, 1 1 mark question. Totally 11 from this chapter. Take the next problem. Find the values of x. Find the values of x. Find the values of x. Find the values of x if find the values of x if 1 2 1 into 1 2 0 2 0 1 1 0 2 into column matrix 0 2 x is equal to 0. Left hand side is an equation. This is x. Find the values of x. Carefully you have to take down the question. First I am multiplying these two matrices, this and this. Always please remember, while multiplying any two matrices, please write the order of the two matrices. This is 1 row 3 column, 1 cross 3. This is 3 row 3 column. After multiplying, you will get 1 cross 3 matrix. After multiplying, you will get 1 cross 3 matrix. Multiply the first two matrices. You will get 1 row 3 column. After multiplying, you will get 1 row 3 column. Multiply first row first column. 1 into 1. In between sign is plus. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. This is the multiplication of first row with first column. This is the multiplication of first row first column. You will get 1 row 3 column. Next, first row second column. It must be written in first row only. How many columns you are multiplying from first row? That must be written in first row only. Next, 1 into 2. Leave a little bit of space in between these two elements. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0. This is the multiplication of first row with second column. After multiplying, you get 1 cross 3 matrix. 1 row 3 column. Next, first row third column. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into, write this matrix, 0 to x is equal to 0. If you multiply these two, you will get this matrix into, write this as it is. We should be very careful while multiplying. Before multiplying, you write the order of the two matrices and you should know what is the resultant of these two matrices. If you multiply these two matrices, resultant will be 1 cross 3 matrix, outer one. Simplify the left hand side matrix. This is 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1. Next, 2 plus 0 plus 0. Next, 0 plus 2 plus 2 into 0 to x is equal to 0. Simplify all these three. This is 1 row with 3 columns. This is 1 cross 3. Again, if we simplify, you will get 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 2, 4 into 0 to x is equal to 0. Again you have to multiply. This is 1 cross 3. This is 3 cross 1. Resultant will be 1 cross 1. Resultant will be 1 cross 1 matrix. That is only one element after multiply. Multiply first row with first column. 6 into 0. You will get 1 row 1 column. 6 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into x is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is 6 plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. This is 4x plus 10 is equal to 0. 4x is minus 10. X is minus 5 by 2. X is minus 5 by 2. This is 6. X is minus 1. Yes? X is minus 1. Is it right? 4 plus 4x is 0. 4x is minus 4. X is equal to minus 1. Next, find x. Find x if x minus 5 minus 1 into 102 021 203 into x 4 1 is equal to 0. Find x. Find x. Find x. This is 1 row 3 column, 3 row 3 column. After multiplying that 1 row 3 column, multiply the first two matrix. X into 1 is x, plus minus 5 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into minus 1 into 2 is 0. First row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. X into 1 plus 0 minus 2. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. X into 0 is 0. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus 0. Next is third column, 2x minus 5 minus 3 into x 4 1 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. After simplifying x minus 2 minus 10 2x minus 8 into x 4 1 is equal to 0. This is 1 row 3 column, 1 row 3 column. This is 1 row 3 column, this is 3 row 1 column. After multiplying you get 1 cross 1 matrix, that is single element. Again, if you simplify this one, x minus 1 into x, this is x into x minus 2, in between sign is plus, x minus 2 into x, minus 10 into 4 is minus 40, plus 2x minus 8 into 1 is 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is x square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled is equal to 0. This is x square minus 48 is equal to 0. X square is 48. X is plus or minus 4 root 3. 48 is 16 into 3. Root of 16 is 4 into root 3. X is plus or minus 4 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 root 3. Last question in this chapter. If A is equal to matrix A is 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7 into I must be equal to 0. See, this type of problem I have done in my previous class, calculating A square, calculating A cube, show that the given equation you should get 0. In the first case in this problem, you have to calculate A square. You have to calculate A square. A is given, calculate A square. A square is A into A. 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into, it is a matrix. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Multiply these two. Multiply these two. This is first row, first column is. First row, first column. 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Multiplication of first row, first column got over. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. First row, first column, first row, second column. Next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Next, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Simplify, calculate A square. Simplify the matrix. A square is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 into 3 is 9. This is minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 minus 2. Next, minus 1 plus 4. Therefore, A square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is A square. Next, we have to show that A square minus 5A plus 7I must be equal to 0. We have to show that this is equal to 0. Left hand side is A square minus 5A plus 7I. 0 means you should get a 0 matrix. Replace A square by 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5 into A is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Minus 5 into A plus 7 into I is, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. I must be 2 cross 2. After simplifying, you should get a 0 matrix in which all the elements are 0. Simplify the second matrix by multiplying each element by 5, which is equal to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Retain minus sign outside only. You have to multiply each element by 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Plus multiply each element by 7. 7007. Therefore, left hand side is a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to, directly we can simplify this problem. See here, 8 minus 15 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. First element is 0. Next, 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Therefore, a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. 0 matrix is denoted by 0. 0 matrix is denoted by 0. Therefore, a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0.